Alrighty, so today on the wonderful, lovely, sneaker rocks, what you guys are going to see today, is you guys going to see a couple of, might see a couple of items. It might be one, might, it's going to be a couple of items no matter what, but they're probably going to be in 2 different days. Okay, I don't know, I haven't decided how I'm going to do it yet, but you guys will see here. But the two items that I'm going to show you that are going to be, we're unboxing two, but we're also going to show you them here first. So, so let's go and let's actually go to the beautiful, lovely internet. Now the first one, you guys can kind of. I went for this in a size M, the skirt, and to be honest with you, it does say this price. But actually, I only spent $133 on both of these items. So, I don't know. But this one is also about this one as well. And I kind of don't know whether I'm going to like the other one. This one I know is going to fit me fine. This one I'm not quite for sure, even though I went the M size and I shouldn't have. Probably should have gone a small. But that's beside the point. We'll see. Um, but that's kind of basically, if you guys are wanting to get these for basically the same price I did, all you have to do is just buy these shoes and get a pair of shoes for 30% off. That's how I was able to get these for pretty cheap. You know, not spending the 57 something off, I believe, or something $58 off on these. So I'm figuring, you know, getting these and then spending $57 off of a skirt is not bad. So that's basically what you guys will see here. This will probably be, future me coming in like a minute here. So, if you guys do enjoy yourselves, you know, always get that like button, and make sure you hit that subscribe, and we'll see you guys in a minute.
Alright, so this is future me. Um, Now, as you guys can kind of see, I have scissors. I also, as you can see, I also have a box here. I'm going to try to keep everything pretty close to not showing you anything Now, there's going to probably be a Future Me 2, just to let you know, there will be a Future Me 2, just so that you guys don't get yourself confused, that there's probably going to be, this is me probably an hour later from that first one, because as you guys can see, the package got here, the first one anyway. Anyway, and for what the box came in, what this is, what this is all worth, this is what it looks, the packaging anyway. What you guys will see is for sure a lookbook in these. Now, I'm not for sure if I really am for sure if I'm going to like these. So let's actually open up the bag, because frankly, let's actually see the it's nice feeling. Now, it says it's $80 on the tag, but it's not really $80. to be honest with you. But yeah, so I will let you guys see these officially, the skirt in a lookbook coming, I think, in like a day. Like a day from now, or like a little bit from. Basically, I'll let you guys see a lookbook coming here after I get the other item that's going to be in pertaining to this video, because it's going to be Future Me 2. I'll tell you that. Um, basically, you know, no, if the other item says it's going to be here today, you know, I don't think it will be, because it's coming from Bad X, and the other one's basically over in the other one is over, probably still on its way here. So tomorrow, if tomorrow will probably be another day where you guys will see this. But if you guys want to see more content, you guys are gonna make sure you guys, you know, I'm not gonna, like, if you guys are enjoying already, I know it's probably gonna be cut out here anyways. But hey, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you're hitting that like button. You know, I'm gonna try my best not to do separate like videos still all together, but this is going to be separate videos for a little bit. Just, well, for this one anyways, because sometimes packages get here later and I just wanted to reveal it right away. So if you guys are enjoying yourselves, like I said, hit that like button and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys want to, and we'll see you guys in a minute, maybe less, maybe even a few seconds, I know, a moment later or whatever. So we'll see you guys in the next part of this video, and yeah. Alright, so this is Future Me, Future Me Part 2, I think, or Part 3, whatever. So basically, what you guys are going to see here, this video, is going to entail basically a pair of shoes. Now, you guys probably already know what shoes they are, but anyways, so let's get into it anyways. But let's see if there are actually any I'm trying not to, like, cut myself on top of this. These are scissors, but still. Okay. Ooh. Okay. These are gonna definitely, the box, already I can tell you, here, for them. Wow. There's the box, what it looks like. There's even what it shows up on top. Actually, you guys should be able to see it in a better look. There we go. And then there's the size. There's 8. If it'll ever focus. I don't know if it'll focus. But there's the Superstars Bold. There you go. That's much better. That's probably much better now that you guys can actually see that box. And it does say that you guys can kind of see the box a little bit better. These are definitely. Let's take a look at actually what's inside the box here. There. I'm going to show you guys the paper inside of it too. Man. Alright. These might not look as as online because of what yeah, wow. I'm only going to show you the one, but there's two in here. Wow. These actually look better in person than they do online. Wow. And they're a little bit of a platform toe. A little bit platform. They're not like overly dramatic into a deep platform. But I wanted to see if they do not come with extra shoelaces. But that's okay. That's okay. I hope you guys did enjoy so far. What you guys are going to see here is the lookbook of both of the what you guys will see is both the lookbook for both the skirt and the shoes together, and then you'll probably see these in a different thing, and then the skirt in a different. I probably won't do a lookbook. I'll just probably show you guys a picture, of course, so that you guys don't have to you guys can kind of see what other shoes I would wear with them. But I'm going to try to my best to try to keep this video short and sweet. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys do hit that like button. Make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button. It really does help. You know, I upload twice a week. I upload every Monday, and I upload not every Monday, every Wednesday and Saturday. There will be a new lookbook for several things. There will be a lookbook for some more sneakers. That's basically, I'm going to try to release one every Wednesday and every Saturday. So if you guys want to see that, make sure you guys do hit that subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell notification for all. You don't have to. You could go personalized. You could say no, and you could just come back and check back every Wednesday and every Thursday. Somewhere after about 3 o'clock would be best. So we'll see you guys in the next one. But and that's 3 p.m. Central Time, my time. So it'll be somewhere different from your time. So it's 3 p.m. Central Standard Time for me.